Do you know why your YouTube video's earning varies a lot? When a particular video gives you a lofty amount, then at the same time, another video on the same niche gives you a little box. Confusing, right? Sometimes this will lead us to select a wrong topic for making our next video. And after some days, when our video doesn't get that required amount of views and money, we become frustrated. But not anymore. In this video, I am going to show you which types of videos will give you lots of money with less effort. Stay with us till the end, and I promise I will show you my actual earning from those videos. Let's check our first example. This Jaipur city tour video. From the analytics of the video, you can see that the video has got 409.5 thousand, that is over 4 lakh views, which is quite high from our regular videos. Next, engagement wise, this video has got more than 25,000 watch hour, and that is also higher than average videos, while average view duration of this video is also high. Now, we made this video on our own experience of traveling Jaipur city. We shot the video on that tour. We stayed there in an Airbnb apartment for 3 days. The entire tour cost was around 15,000 per person, including food, stay, sightseeing, cab cost and flight fare for a group of 6 people. So you can see there is a huge amount invested in making this video. As I mentioned, I will show you at the end how much I earned from this single Jaipur tour video, so that you can check the profit margin. Now come to the second video, which is on Dalhousie winter trek. This one we made as a travelogue. It was shot and explained as a personal experience of one of our team members while he was enjoying that trekking. This video performs not so well on our channel, and till date it doesn't get that much of visibility, getting just 6.1 thousand views and just 428 hours of watch time. However, the audience retention of the video is high. That means the people who watched this video watched till the end. We booked this trekking package from Youth Hostel Association, which costs around Rs 7,000 per person. Now come to this third and one of the most successful videos of our channel. This is a travel guide video on Pondicherry. We made this video only using still pictures. Here we haven't described our travel experiences like the 2 previous videos. Just we shared a proper tour plan with all the booking details, so that our viewers can get all the required information from this video, using which they can plan a safe and sound Pondicherry tour. And here is the analytics. It has got 985.9 thousand views, which is over 9 lakhs. And engagement wise, it has got over 33,000 watch hours. Both these numbers are quite high than average, whereas the average view duration in this case is low. Our investment in making this video is around Rs 4,000, which is quite less than the 2 previous videos. So what do we learn from these statistics? We should always write our video content keeping in mind our channel viewers' need. Like in our case, we provide tour plan and travel guide in our travel channel. Our viewers come to our channel only for that information, which they want us to provide for them. The Jaipur city tour video and Pondicherry video serve that purpose. In Jaipur city tour video, we combined both our travel experience as well as provide a proper tour plan for our viewers. Pondicherry video is purely on tour plan. And due to this factor, you can see that these 2 videos have succeeded on our channel and is still growing at a steady pace. Whereas the Dalhousie winter trek video is on a travel experience of a person. And so, our viewers didn't like this video. The views show that perfectly. And here is the earnings of 3 videos. Jaipur video has gained $362.93. That means around Rs 28,000. Winter trek video has gained $4.49. That means 348 rupees. And Pondicherry video has earned $513.69. That is around 39,800 rupees as of now. From here we can see that our Pondicherry video is the most profitable one. So one way to maximize your profit on YouTube is to minimize your video making cost. The second way is to make a video in a way that serves the purpose of your viewers. And third and most important one, try to make video on evergreen content. Here all our videos are on evergreen topic. That is, the value of these contents will remain same forever. Whoever wants to visit these places will see the places we mentioned here and will get the same hotel and food. The only thing that will change is the rate. And for that, we also provide contact numbers so that the viewers can check the current price from there. If you want to know more about what an evergreen video and a trending video can do, then check out our detailed video on this topic here. Hope the video will help you in your YouTube journey. If you find this one helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button. See you in our next video. Thank you.